Oh. Preparing to be up next.
Like, what are we doing?
Watch this.
Got it. Okay.
And the man. How long am I recording for?
Tell you something sweet.
What?
Okay. So when I try to do something cool, I miss, but she just comes in like we actually planned to do that. I want to get in. It was going in.
Trying to hook that. What was it, Devin?
What?
What was it?
Get out of here.
I ain't trying to fuck.
I can't see anything. Alright, go.
No, he's my number one fan.
Oh,
Where's the camera?
my arm's getting tired.
Get Debbie.
This is not going on my face.
This is so hard. Dude, you gotta get some underneath the basket view. Oh.
Go, we're wasting film.
Alright, you know.
Oh, you faked me out.
Shot ever. Devin, what should I do?
Spin around, fade away.
I'll toss it up and you head it in. You can't see anything, and all of a sudden it falls like 5 feet short.
Oh,
At least she hits fucking backwards. I got this. Ready? Move though.
I dare you. I pull yourself in the eye with my
Devin, get
necklace.
this on tape.
Get what?
This caterpillar.
Oh my god!
Really though, I'm in the back.
Ah! You scared the shit.
It was on your hand.
You scared the shit out of me. You can't even see it. There it is. Look at that.
can't even see
Look
it?
at it. There it is.
Is that a caterpillar? I don't know.
Oh, here, my arms are tired.
Ready from behind the backboard.
That's tiring, dude.
No.
Through the tree.
Close.
Wow, you're terrible at talking.
I know.
I'm terrible at videotaping. Just to let you know.
Let's juggle.
No, like I'm not good at videotaping. Flowers.
Okay.
Alright, play the juggling game. You gotta tell a number.
Alright. 1.
2. Oh shit.
1.
2.
Like I'm not. How do I stop it?
Okay, my face is gonna be in that shit.